Hey guys, welcome back. Let me show you how to create this whiteboard animation in Canva. So step 1, come to your Canva account, then you quickly go to create a design. So when it comes like this, you select video over here. So it will take you to this page. Now when it comes like this, come to this side over here and search elements. So you click on elements at this side. This is it here. Have a look at it. Now when you click on element, the next thing you're gonna do is you go to search element here, then you write something like hi or hello. So I'm going to write hi over here. So let me just type hi there, then I'll enter. You click on enter. Okay, so when you click on enter, it will come like this. Then you go to graphics. You can see graphics here. Then you come to see all. You click on see all. Remember, we are trying to create a very nice whiteboard animation here. So you can see a lot of characters have appeared over here for you. You can choose any of them that you want to use as the main character in your video. I like this one, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it and drop on the page. So anyone that you like, you just drag and drop on the page. So there is it on the page. You can just drag the sides in order to position it well on the page. So let me do that and position it very well on the page. Let's see how it looks like. Alright, so you position the side well so that the hands will come very clear. Okay, so there is it. Here we go. So the next step is we add text. Okay, so we're gonna come over here to text at this side. Look at it, text here. Then you go to add a heading. So you click on add a heading. It will quickly take the text into your page here. So you are going to use your keyboard in order to type the text that you want to add over here. So I want to write hi, but before then we will come to font over here. Okay, we will come to font here. And remember, we are doing animation, so we're going to select a font that is animation font. So we just come over here and select comic. So you write comic at that side as the font. So when you write comic, fonts will come. A lot of fonts will come. So this is it, comica. This is what we want, comica. So you select comica. Then it will simply load this. So you can see right now it has changed. So right now I can write over here as hi here. So let me write hi. Then let me drag it here for you to see it well. There is it. You can drag it. Then you zoom it very well. Have a look at it. So you zoom it for it to be big well. Okay, remember, animation videos, they need to show clearly. Okay, so there is it. So as we are able to do this, we want to add another text. That is, we are telling the people hi everyone. So let me come to add heading. The same process again. Then you go to font here. Then you select comic. Remember that font, so it's already here for you. So you choose comic again. So in this case, we are going to write everyone here. So let me write everyone quickly with my keyboard. So watch it critically, don't skip the video. And let's continue. So look at it, hi everyone. So you can just drag the side in order to make it big. Okay, if you want it to be bold, you can add some bold fonts and other stuffs, but we want it like this. Okay, so what we are going to do next is to come down here and make sure we make the video at least let's make it 2.5 seconds. Okay, it's 2.5 seconds, so you drag it here. It's okay. So let's play and see how it looks like. Okay, that is how it looks like. But right now, let's customize the text more to make it a little bit to make it look like animation. Okay, so what we are going to do to make it look like animation character or animation text very well is to come to animate. So you click on the text, then you come to animate. It will take you to this side over here. You can see different animation text over here. The one that you like is the one that you're going to choose. Okay, but in this case, what we'll be using is pan here. Okay, so let's use this one, pan. So you click on pan. So when you click on pan, we want the text to come from left to right. So you can just choose this one. If you want it to come from right to left, you choose this one. Okay, so this one, when we choose it, you can see the text is coming from right to left. Sorry, so you want the text to come from right to left, you choose this one. If you want it to come from left to right, you choose this one. Okay, so what we are going to do is that let's choose this one. We want it to come from this side, so we choose this one. Then we come to everyone also. Then we repeat the same process. Remember, we click on it, then we repeat the same process. Okay, so the same process is we come to pan again. Okay, then we click on same direction again. Okay, so let's preview our video again and see. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it will look like. Alright, so we'll add another page to it over here. You come down here, that is the next step. Add another page here. So when you add this page, what we are going to do is let's repeat this character, this animated character. Let's repeat it on this page. So what we are going to do that is to come to the first page. Then on the first page, we click on we press Ctrl+C on our keyboard to select this. But before then, make sure you put the mouse cursor on the character so that it will be highlighted like this. Okay, then you come to your keyboard, then you press Ctrl+C to copy. So when you do that, you go to the next page that you want to add it. This is this page that we want to add it. Then we click on Ctrl+V to paste. Okay, alright, so you can see the same thing repeated itself over here. Very simple like that. So right now, let's add another text to it. Then we quickly wrap up. Okay, so we add another text. Remember the same process of adding text. You come to add a heading as I'm doing. Then you come over here. Then you select the font, which is Comica. Or if you want another font, we can select. Okay, there are other fonts that are available here. We can select any one that we want. Okay, but I just like the Comica. I like it. Okay, so you select the Comica again. Then you write welcome to Whiteboard animation. Okay, so welcome to Whiteboard animation. So you just write it there, or anything you want to write is just for the sake of the tutorial. Okay, so anything you want to write, you can write it over there. So let me just quickly write this. Welcome to Whiteboard animation. So when you write this, you just put it on the page. You can just put it on this page. Then you do it anyhow you like. Okay, so when you do like this, what we are going to do is that you position it very well on the page. Okay, so let's position it very well on the page. Okay, so when you do like this, what we are going to do next is that you can just go back to where we add animation text here in order to make this text look like animation. Okay, so let's go back to where we animate the first text in order to make this text look like animation. So we come back here and select animate. Okay, so when we select animate, this time we are going to select handwriting. Okay, so we want it to be like handwriting, but when you want it to be like stamp, where you come here, look at how it makes. When you want it to be like this, look at how it makes. When you want it to look like this, you just browse through any one of them that you like. Okay, and the one that is good for you, you just choose it. So right now I need the handwriting, so let me come somewhere here and see if I can get it. So it's here, typewriter. This is it. This is what I want, typewriter. Okay, so you click on it, writing, typewriter. So when it comes like this, you can, if you want to reduce the speed of writing, you can just do it like this. Okay, to come back small. Okay, all right, so that is it. And let's go and preview our video again and see how it looks like. Okay, so welcome to whiteboard animation. So you can just make this one to be somehow 2.5 again, or 2.7, but let's make it 2.5. Now let's play everything and see how it looks like. Okay, so let's add the last step, which is this one. So we're going to add another page to it. You can add more pages the way you like, but for the sake of time for this tutorial, okay, so what we are going to do again is that we want to bring back this character again. So we come to this page and then we do the same thing that we did first, to repeat the same process by clicking on by pressing Ctrl+C to copy, and then Ctrl+V to paste. Okay, so let me do it. So Ctrl+C, I copied it. I'll come to this page, that is a blank page. Then you click on Ctrl+V. So Ctrl+V, I pasted it again. Okay, so it's right here. So what I'm going to do again is that I'm going to add the last text to it. So I can just write something like let's get started. Okay, or let's go. Okay, so let me write something like let's go. Okay, so you can write anything at all. It depends on the kind of character you are doing, okay, or what you want to achieve. Okay, so you come over here, repeat the same process. Let me select some font this time. Let me select this one and see how it looks like. Let me see this one. This one is Ananias. Okay, you can select any one that you like. Okay, I don't like that one. I like Comic Sans. Okay, so let me click on Comic Sans. So the one that you like is left with you. Okay, so alright, so when I click on this one, let me bring something like let's go. Then I bring this. Okay, so you can just position it to where you want it to be on your page. Okay, I'm just showing you an example. So from there I can change the color of this. Okay, so let me change the color of this. Alright, so if you want to change the color, you just highlight it like this. Okay, then you come to the color, then you click on the color that you want to change. So let's say I want to change this color, so you just click on it. When you are done, preview how it looks like. Okay, so you click on your page to see how this is how it will come. Okay, but if you don't like this one, you can just click on it again, then you go back to the color. But remember, you should highlight it in order so that it will not change the whole page color. Okay, so maybe I like red. I don't know how it will look like, but let's see. So you can just play with it anyhow you want. Okay, so for the sake of time, so this is it, and I'll go back and animate this too. Remember, so you animate it again. Okay, don't skip the video. Make sure you hit the like button. Okay, so this time around, let me do something like this. Let me click on this one, bounce. Okay, so I want it to bounce for me to see. Alright, so let's preview everything and see how it looks like, our video look like. Okay, so this is the outcome. You can also add audio to it if you like, you add music or any text or any voice that you like. You can use AIs to record your voice and add to it anyhow you want it. Okay, so when you are done with everything, you just click on share here, then you download your video very nicely, okay, through here. Okay, so that is it. And whatever you want me to teach you again, please make sure you comment it below and let me know. Okay, and if I didn't say anything in the video that you want me to say, just comment, let me know. I will help you out. And please make sure you hit the like button, it's very important. And also make sure you subscribe to this channel.